What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes, and today's review is on
a few moments later.
The latest Kyrie 5s, SpongeBob house, or Pineapple house. Let's get into it. Sneaker Notes. Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks. What up, y'all, man? Thanks for checking in once again, man. I'm your boy C Notes. I appreciate every time y'all click on one of these videos. But while you at it, if you're not, right down there, look like a box logo, Supreme. Tap that for me. Notification bell, hit that. So whenever I upload, whenever I get a chance to upload a new review, you'll be one of the first. Today's review was on the newest Kyrie 5s. And this one decided to focus on the SpongeBob Pineapple house. Before this one, we got the Patricks, the Mr. Krabs, the popular one, the SpongeBob one, and maybe it was another one or two, I really can't remember. I had the SpongeBob ones, but I sold them right away. Bad mistake. I really missed those. I might get those back. But today, we're here to talk about the Pineapple house. Before we get into the review, you already know what we do here at Sneaker Notes. This is the What's on Foot segment. So this is part of the video where you go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you catch this video. Today, I know I'm a little biased towards Nike. I wear a lot of Nike. So today I switched it up. 3 stripes, Adidas. Today I got on foot the Pharrell NMD. This one is the blue navy look one. Got the the Chinese writing on it. I ain't gotta tell you how comfortable these sneakers is, man. Super duper comfortable, man. So again, on foot today, I got on Adidas Pharrell NMDs. When you catch this video, let your boy know what you rocking on foot by going in that comment section below. It takes about 5 seconds. Let me know what you rocking on foot. And now, without further ado, let's get into the review. Hit the music. Yeah, so Kyrie got the little Illuminati look going on, man. Super dope box. Y'all know I'm a fan of boxes. I'm a fan of presentation. I like the platinum looking box. The Nike swoosh there. Kyrie 5 logo with the Illuminati eye. Super crazy. Your regular Kyrie Irving logo there. Just a nice overall presentation. Nice platinum box. Flip open the lid. Oh, and I got the receipt here. I got them straight from Nike. It's crazy, man, because like I hardly went on Sneakers app. That's why I just usually get the sneaker earlier for review purposes and just to make sure I can secure the bag. Because winning on a Nike sneaker app is like hitting the lotto. No BS. But receipt straight from Nike. I think this is the only way you could have got it anyway was through Nike. Because I ain't see like Jimmy Jazz or... Nah, Foot Action had them. Foot Action had them. So, yeah, never mind that. Back to the shoe. Got your regular white tissue paper, nothing fancy. And take both shoes out. And here's your Kyrie Pineapple House SpongeBob joints. Now off rip with me, with detailing alone, this sneaker gets a 10 out of 10. So as you can see, this is the SpongeBob Pineapple graphic look, which is super dope. That comes around the whole top part of the sneaker. But what kills is that instead of having a green pineapple on top like here, is across the shoestrings, which I think is dope. The Nike swoosh has that, you know, SpongeBob water look. Super dope. 3D. Actually pops up at you. I like that. I actually really like them more than the SpongeBob ones, but that's dope. Back to your toe box where I told you the pineapple look is. It has like a clear right here. Instead of adding another color, they put like a clear coat around there. Back to the shoestrings. Yeah, nice blue, man. This is a nice blue. It's a red blue, but a nice blue. And over the green plant, or the green part of the pineapple, let's say the hair, you got the words Nickelodeon in there. Nickelodeon. And on the top of your tongue, your regular Kyrie logo. Let's look in the inside of this. The inside, there you go. There go your SpongeBob face. See if y'all can catch that. Right, other detailings include that I don't watch SpongeBob. In that comment section below, let me know what that means. But that's super cool, I guess. And you got your yellow and blue SpongeBob color splattercools, pink splattercools across the heel of the shoe, all the way into the inside. And on the bottom, established in 1992, Kyrie Irving logo, all white. Now just peep this. If you look real close in the toe tab, the very that reads hungry. I'm trying to get this to focus on there. I don't know if y'all can see that. It reads hungry. Super dope. Let me get the left shoe, make sure everything adds up. Yeah, well, looking at the left shoe, everything adds up. But instead of saying hungry on the left shoe, it says humble. I don't know if y'all can read that. So your right side says hungry, your left side says humble. Super dope. Same SpongeBob face in the inside of the left shoe, just like you had on your right shoe. SpongeBob pet snail is on the inside of the tongue. Dope classic look. Yo, man, Kyrie's killing with the detailing, man. Super killing. So yeah, man, these are your Kyrie 5 SpongeBob houses. Detailing wise, I gotta get a shoe a 10. But is it for men is my question. I think this is more of a kid shoe, high school maybe. I mean, I'll definitely ball in these, but as far as like wearing these on a regular, really not my thing. Let me know in that comment section below, were you lucky enough to cop? How did you cop? Again, on foot today, I got on the Pharrell NMDs, the blue joints with the Japanese writing. In that comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot when you get a chance to check this video out. Again, SpongeBob 5 Pineapple Houses. Let me know how y'all feel about these, man. I got a super early review coming for y'all. I'm hoping that this package gets here before the release date. But if it don't, if it do, whatever, I'm still going to get the review to y'all. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes, man. Thanks for checking me out. Everybody, get rich.
Hold up. I said, hold up. I said, hold up.
Cardi and Jones on the sound.
You know the vibes. Sneaker Notes if we talking about kicks.
You know the vibes.